Accidents are all too common in our daily life today. This is why we need to be informed about safety first. Here are 3 quick tips to keep in mind while driving. 1. Keep your eyes moving. Don't just stare at the car in front. Check, scan roadsides. Stay aware. 2. Always use turn signals. Yes, always. This simple act can prevent countless accidents. 3. Follow the 3-second rule. Choose an object ahead. As the car in front passes it, count to 3. If you pass it before 3, you're too close. Remember, these tips aren't just rules, they're lifelines. Ideas. Let's learn from each other and make our journey on the road safer. Moving on to tip number 4, never underestimate the power of the seatbelt. Always buckle up before starting your journey. It's not just a matter of law, it's a matter of life. The seatbelt is your biggest defense in case of an accident. Safety seatbelt, a person fastening their seatbelt, a close-up of a seatbelt buckle, a seatbelt sign in a car, and finally tip number 5, regular car maintenance is not an option, it's a necessity. A well-maintained car is a safe car. It's not just about performance but about prevention. Regular checks can help spot potential issues before they become major problems. So remember to check your oil levels, brakes, tires and lights regularly. Remember, maintenance drives safe, be aware and enjoy the journey. Now we'd love to hear your thoughts. Remember to hit the like button if you found our tips helpful. Don't forget to comment with your own safety. Remember, safety doesn't happen by accident. Drive safe, be proactive and enjoy the journey. Share this video with your friends and family to spread the message. Stay safe and drive responsibly.